TradeLink Technologies.
What happens when one small packing mistake costs you thousands of dollars? Wrong labels, incorrect counts, shipping delays, non-compliance fines. It happens every day. Manual errors, major losses, add global teams and language barriers, and it's a crisis. You don't need another process. You need a solution. Introducing PackOne and TradeLinkOne, a cloud hybrid strategy that automates your entire packing operation. TradeLinkOne is your command center in the cloud. All your data configurations in PackOne ensures packing and shipping according to your customers' requirements. The platform provides up-to-the-minute shipment visibility and powerful reporting. You get a vendor scorecard to track performance and a built-in report writer tool. There's also Tower One, an AI-powered end-to-end supply chain visibility dashboard. This lets you analyze your data your way. PackOne is the power on the ground, a lightweight local client-server application that runs locally on your packing floor. Here is what PackOne actually does. PackOne handles every packing scenario. Use basic barcode scanning for simple verification, scan and pack for standard barcode verification, or leverage RFID-powered bulk scanning for instant item-level accuracy that ensures every single item is packed correctly. PackOne assigns a unique serial number to every carton, delivering end-to-end traceability from your dock to final delivery. With integrated scale and camera functionality, it automatically captures actual weights and carton dimensions in real time, eliminating estimates and inaccuracies. Our scan and load features guide your team through accurate container and truck stuffing, validating every carton before it's sealed. PackOne is hardware-agnostic and works seamlessly with your existing barcode scanners, RFID readers, and devices. No costly replacements required. It ensures buyer compliance with automated GS1, 128 labels, packing lists, and ASNs, all integrated with your ERP, while guided workflows validate every scan and container load. With multi-language and 24/7 customer support, your team adopts it instantly. No errors, no chargebacks, complete control, no complex IT infrastructure, no delays. With PackOne and TradeLinkOne, every scan, every carton, get every shipment right, from the cloud to the packing floor. Ready to ship smarter?